Hi, I'm Nicole from Losi Pool, and today we're going to be talking about green water and the different types of green water and how to discern between if it's mineral or algae. We are in southwest Michigan, and around this area we have very hard water. So on a weekly basis it's important to add a product such as Mineral Clear or Metal Magic. If your water is a green, discolored, like a tint, you can still see through it, but it's just discolored, tinted. It may be green, yellow, brown, red, reddish color. That means minerals. Now, if your pool water looks murky green, like a thick green, or you just can't see through it, that means that your sanitizer level probably dropped. Sanitizer being bromine, chlorine, or Bakusil, or other. There's a lot of different sanitizers out there now. And you want to, if those levels drop, you want to use the appropriate algicide for your pool sanitizer. So if you have a chlorine or bromine pool, you can use something like this for a weekly maintenance to help prevent algae. Now if you come upon a thick algae problem or an algae problem that's starting to get out of control, the premium blue comes in handy. Keep in mind, if you have a salt pool, a chlorine generated pool, you can't use any copper-based algicide, so you don't want to use the Algae Clear or the Premium Blue. You'd want to use Clear 60, which is a copper-free algicide. And if you have a pool that uses a different type of sanitizer, such as Bakusil, your Bakusil pool you'll have to use an appropriate algicide for that type of sanitizer. So, again, how to discern between what type of green water you have. If it's clear or discolored, it's most likely minerals or metals. If you have a foggy green or a thick green colored pool or other color, you'll want to use an algicide to treat that. And that concludes our how to treat green water.